Hey, so in this video I'm gonna be showing you my bedsitter, okay? I'm Nancy from Kenya. I do content creation based on lifestyle, travel and decor. So in today's video I just want to show you how I have decorated my bedsitter. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so. So guys, this is the biggest bedsitter that I have ever lived in. So I just wanted to show you the views above, yeah, because this is the above view from the bedsitter that I live in, and this bedsitter is specifically found in Mombasa, Kenya. For those who do not know, Mombasa is the coastal city in the southeastern Kenya along the Indian Ocean. And I'm so glad to have found this place because it has the best views so far, and you can easily see how they made the spaces and the space for just the fresh air to be able to come inside the apartment. You can see how it is, guys, the staircases and how the tiles were made, the outside tiles, and how clean this apartment is. It's just amazing. You can see from the staircases, from the balconies, you know, and the security is just the best. So guys, that is the upper view of the apartment. You can easily see that you are near all the amenities that everyone needs. You are near the supermarkets, the sea, the beach side. It's also near. You're also near the schools and some different companies all around, and this is one of the tallest building in this location so far, which is so good because it helps in bringing in the fresh air and all that a person needs. So quickly, let me take you inside my bedsitter. You can see that is the entrance from the outside. Now let's take a walk and just take a walk through my bedsitter, and I hope you will enjoy it. So this is the entrance of the door from the outside, and this is how it is. This is how the bedsitter is. I'm so lucky because this is the biggest, one of the biggest bedsitters that I have ever lived in. Yeah, I have lived in a lot of different types of bedsitters, and from all, this is one of the biggest bedsitters that I have ever lived in room. With us Kenyans, we all know this type of a house as a bedsitter. It is a one room that has the toilet and the bathroom inside with a small kitchen space, and with some you can also get the wardrobe being included. Like I can show you, this is where my wardrobe is included. I've told you guys, this is the biggest, one of the biggest bedsitters that I have ever lived in. And also you can see there, that's the kitchen. So quickly, and this is the washroom stroke bathroom. This one, washroom stroke bathroom. Okay, from here, from the door we go, you can easily see there's everything there. From this door you can see that's where my bed is situated. So you can see the view from here. I have the two wide windows. One is on this side and the other one is on the kitchen side, which is so good. It is so hard to get such bedsitters that has wide open windows. So for me, I feel like I'm the luckiest tenant in the world, right? And there's a wide door, which is so good. It helps in giving you the best views, and it also helps in bringing the air, the fresh air inside. So from here, quickly, this is my bed there, where I spend most of the time, because apparently I haven't mounted my TV. This TV is supposed to be mounted on the wall, but I'm still trying to think on what to do, because I really don't want to mount this TV and end up destroying the destroying the walls, because it's not so good to mount the TV knowing that in some few months you'll be moving out of this place. So that's why I'm still contemplating on whether to mount this TV or not, because I'm not sure if this is the place I'll be staying for good. So that is my beautiful bed there. I have told you guys, I always spend most of my time on my bed just writing, editing, and doing all sorts of things that I do normally on daily basis. And there you can see these are my beautiful curtains that go along with my furniture, as you can see, and even the color of the wall. That place is supposed to be having a fan, but for now I haven't really added anything. I'm not planning, I don't know, but I'm not planning to be here for the longest time. That's why I'm not really concentrating on adding a lot of things. So from here, from this side of the bed, you can see my other chair there, and then there's a Wi-Fi. That is the door that leads you to come in my house. Then from here you can see these are some of my sling bags there, and I told you guys I'm selling this because I'm not planning to have it for the rest of my life. Yeah. And from here you can see I'm standing just beside my bed there. Yeah, first I'll show you from the balcony. We quickly come here. This is my indoor plant. I love plants so much, so that's why it's here. And then from here you go straight to the wardrobe side, and also you go straight to the kitchen. They're all linked up together, and this is how my kitchen looks like. You can see it has so many wardrobes, which is not easy to find a place, a bedsitter that has wardrobes and a big that has kitchen cabinets, a lot of kitchen cabinets with a big wardrobe. It is not easy to find such a place, so that is why I love this house so much. And the paintings too, the cabinet painting and the wardrobe paintings. Who doesn't love white colors? Who doesn't? With the tiles and everything. That's why I was so in love when I first stepped in this house. So that's why I ended up living in this house. I'm sorry my utensils are dirty. I'm just from having lunch. That's why there's a lot of dirty utensils, but you don't have to worry, that will be cleaned later. And here, these are my spices, and there are others that are in those cabinets. And then quickly from the kitchen, yeah, this is my kitchen. This is where I put my gas there and other things. Then quickly from there, you can see how the tiles are white and so clean. From here, from the kitchen, you can easily get access. You can easily see the whole room. Here, from here, you can see this is how the wardrobes are. I don't know, I've been showing you guys my wardrobe most of the time. This is how I have arranged, though I haven't done a lot, but this is how it is at the moment. This is how it is at the moment. And there, that's where I keep my shoes that I haven't really put them on for almost a year. Yeah, it's okay. And this is where I put my beauty products. And then from the wardrobe you easily can access the washroom stroke, what do we call washroom, right? And this is where I keep all my toothbrush. sparkling clean. And then now from the washroom, you can easily get to see your way from the balcony. You can also easily get to see your kitchen space. Okay, that's how it is at the moment. You can see. Let me show you the balcony. That's how the balcony is. Yeah, these are my indoor plants. Yeah, because I love plants a lot. And down there, those are my shopping bags. And then the outside, you can easily see how the sky is. It's currently sunny. Yeah, and you can see how beautiful the view from my house is. I'm able to do everything in this house because it is the biggest bedsitter that I have ever lived in, right? You can all see, yeah, and that's what makes it to be the biggest bedsitter that I have ever lived in. Just look at how it is, guys. Yeah, bedsitter. Let me know down on the comment section. And what do you think about the rent? How much it is? Can someone guess the amount of the rent that I pay in this house? Guess down on the comment section. Let me see if you're right.